guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well because, oh man guys, this past week has been insane. We've breached 9,000, 10,000, and as of today, I think we're probably going to hit 11,000. I think we did hit 11,000 already as of making this video the day before. So maybe by the time you guys see this video, it'll probably be over 11,000 or something. That'll be cool. But anyways, guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about mining profitability and just showcasing what has been in comparison since last week, I guess. I did make a video of Bitcoin hitting 9,000, and I guess for this video we're past that, and that was on I think 7 days ago, and we're almost at 11,000. So it's just insane. So I'm just gonna go through. You guys are probably watching all of your mining profits right now anyway, so this video may not be news to you, but for the uninformed, I would like to show and talk about some crazy numbers that's been happening recently. And actually, before I begin, guys, smash the like button and let me know what you are doing with your mining profits right now, or for people who have hodled since 2018 or 2017 even for some people. Let me know what you guys are up to. Are you buying new cards? Are you selling into fiat? Or just hodling until, I don't know, 20k, 50k, 30k, I don't know. Let me know what you guys are doing. I'd love to know. Okay, so this example, guys, let's go ahead and figure out what's the profitability on 6 RX 570s at 180 mega hash, okay? 10 cents a kilowatt hour, that's just the average of the American electrical rate, and hit calculate. And what we got now, as of making this video, it looks like on AMD cards, well, the 570 specifically, it looks like Ethereum is still one of the top coin to mine. So as you can see here, you're making about $4.84 before electricity, and then after your electrical cost, if you're at 10 cents a kilowatt hour, you're making $3.11. A really funny thing to see here is that Beam is coming up pretty profitable on RX 570s, and this is an equihash algorithm. So it's interesting to see an equihash algorithm on the top of the profitability charts on an AMD card. That's pretty funny. I'm gonna show you guys the Beam price in a second, but let's do another comparison here. Another profitability on 6 GTX 1060s. Okay, calculate, and you guys will see as of now Beam is insanely profitable, and I guess grin at the moment. Beam with $6.43 USD before electrical, and after your electrical cost, you're making $5.13 a day in 24 hours. So, wow, Beam is doing really well. I guess that's because of the big price jump, but let's just do one more comparison here. 1660 Ti's. I think these cards are really nice. I am planning on buying 12 of these 1660 Ti's in the coming bit. So actually, let's just do 12 just so we can see the profits on that. And wow, if I had those cards right now, I'd be making $15 a day USD with 12 1660 Ti's at the moment. It's $12.46 after electrical cost. But man, guys, it's because the whole market's going up. Your profits are also going up. I just love this rocket ship GIF here. Okay, so as you guys can see, Beam has been just skyrocketing. Okay, this is in Canadian, so let me just change this into USD since you guys, most of my viewers are American. So all right, so $2.54 USD, 73.61% up as of making this video, guys. Just insane. So look at this huge price jump here. It was sitting around 40 cents for the longest time, and in June, and then now look at this, it's now $2.50. So But one of the big things I would like to showcase is the markets that Beam is trading on. So Hotbit is mainly, as you can see here, Beam to BTC. Volume is about 13 million, so it's really not that much. There's just not that many big markets or big exchanges for Beam at the moment. So that's why it looks like Beam is going to the moon. Rank 106 at the moment, but Hotbit is a Chinese, mainly a Chinese exchange, and I've talked to you guys about Beam and Grin as well. Grin has been going up constantly in the past week as well. And with these two coins, Beam and Grin, they are pretty Chinese centric. I showed you guys the mining pools and the mining hash rate being all in China, basically all in China. And when it's coming out of China, I'm not a big fan of it because there could be a lot of manipulation going on. And when the hash rate is all in China, that means, I don't know, it's not really decentralized, not very fair for what around the world. But hey, if you are invested into Beam and Grin, congrats to you. In terms of fundamentals and all that kind of stuff, hey, Mimble Wimble, it's pretty cool. But as for the Chinese domination right now, in my opinion, it's kind of scary. So anyways, that's the profitability right now, guys. It looks like Beam is going up pretty good. Okay, the next profitability thing I want to talk about is ASICs. Okay, so I'm on asicminervalue.com, and I made a video about this about a week ago, June 17th. And as you guys can see here, I recorded the ASIC miner value price at 10 cents a kilowatt hour back then, and now it was making about $2 a day on an Antminer S9 if you had a 14 terahash version. $2 a day mining Bitcoin. Now at 10 cents a kilowatt hour, we are seeing about $3, $2.85 a day to $2.96 a day on an S9 at 10 cents a kilowatt hour. So Bitcoin has jumped $2,000 as of making this video, right? Since the past video. Now these S9s are $1 more profitable a day. So take a look at that, guys. And the hash rate is rising a bit, but it's profitable. You guys, people that have ASIC miners are still profiting in this market in terms of like S9s or, man, all these other ones, the Dayun, InnoSilicon, Bitmain, and man, if you're able to get your hands on the Obelisk Grin 1 immersion miner, you're making $1,291 a day. Like, holy smoke. I just can't believe it. I can't believe that. That's just incredible. So yeah, in my opinion of all the what to mine and profitability, guys, I know that there's a lot of you that mine not by day. You guys don't calculate the day, but you guys mine the coin that you like, right? Take a look at Ethereum, or if you like to mine Monero by itself, or let's see, what else are the Raven coin, all those kind of coins. Right now we're not seeing these coins on the top profitability charts for Nvidia cards. With the AMD cards, it seems like Ethereum or Ethereum Classic are always going to be the top dogs. But for Nvidia cards, as you can see, this changes all the time. Beam, Grin, A Eternity, Zcoin, Swap, Bitcoin Gold, all the Raven coin, all these kind of coins. But with these coins, on what to mine, it's gonna change all the time. And then what's gonna happen is the hash rate of all those coins are gonna drop, right? So the most profitable coin that you see on what to mine, you're gonna see on Beam and whatnot. You're gonna see those coins just skyrocket in hash rate. And you can see here just recently now the Beam hash rate has jumped from Wow, like 115 to 257 in the past week or so. And it's just insane, right? But then look at Ravencoin. Let's see, Ravencoin. We're gonna see the hash rate drop because it's not on the profitability charts right now. You see the Ravencoin hash rate is dropping. And let's do, like, what other coin can we do? Let's do swap, I guess. Let's see if the profitability charts are the hash rate's going down on this one. Yeah, look at that. Swap has been going down since April. Holy smoke, all the way down. So, I mean, that's just a given, right? You know, what to mine is always going to show the most profitable coin, right? And people are going to flock to that, and thus that lowers the hash rate of all the other coins. And you know, you can make a play here. Like, for some people I know that do this, they mine those coins, the lower hash rate coins, because they'll get more rewards, right? And in hopes of that coin eventually going up in another upswing, the next upswing, whenever that is. You know, these altcoins always go in cycles, right? So there's multiple ways you guys can play this market, and I'm not gonna give you guys the best solution to do that. You guys can do your own research. But oh man, at the end of this video, we almost hit 11,000 Bitcoin. Oh my goodness, just crazy, guys. To the moon we go, guys. 20k, 30k, 50k, 100k Bitcoin. I'm ready, guys. Are you ready? Let me know what you think down below, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Smash the like button. Let me know what you think, guys. Super bullish, super positive. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. See you tomorrow, and peace out.